This is how to get a home button on your iPhone screen. This is it right there. Tap on that and it gives you all kinds of options. This is, in my opinion, an iPhone power feature that you probably don't know about, but you can use it just as a home button. But how do you get that there? It's pretty easy. Go into settings, and we're already on the menu for it. I'll show you how to get there. So go back to the main settings list, go to accessibility, then go to touch, and then tap on AssistiveTouch and turn this on, and that little home screen button will appear. There's lots of different ways to customize it. Let's go to customize the top level menu. Here you can add actions to this button. You can take them away. If you want to have fewer actions, maybe you only want to do one thing, maybe you want to do 2 things or 3 things, and you can add the actions to these little squares. If I tap that little plus, maybe I want that one to be the camera. And then if I tap this one, I want this one to be hold and drag. Not sure how you'd use that in this case, but it's an option. If you want it back to the originals, tap on reset and it'll bring back the originals. And even these can have submenus. So if I tap on this guy and I tap on device, there's even more options within that device option. If I tap on more, if I tap on device again and then more, there's even more options. It is fairly incredible how many things are stacked into this little button. And what's cool is when you don't use it for a while, it goes dim. You can barely see it. So if you have a particular type of background where it's noisy, you could hide this pretty easily. You'd mostly not even be able to tell it's there. And then you just tap on it and it opens up. Then you tap the home button, takes you to the first screen on your phone, and that's your home button. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. It really helps the channel. Then check out this video right here which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. It's important you do that on a regular basis. So check out that video and I'll see you there.